Yep. Oh, crap. I'm gonna go check on it.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Smile, and though he was plainly trying to act confident, he knew his smiles. This was his uncertain one.
Cleveland, you're going to be, hopefully, yes? Or
Cleveland,
no?
it's your hometown hero, Rick Glassman, here to tell you, Daddy's coming home. But this time, he's bringing his party. We're talking October 10th at the... Fill it in, I don't know.
Yeah, Phil, I don't know what it is either.
Not only will I be featuring, I'm going to go up after him and do a half hour strictly about minorities. And let's
with your two older brothers and you're playing football in the backyard, and those are the scenarios you kind of dream about. That's as good as it gets right there.
Freeman homered in the next game too.
80s. All of them would have needed to get it wrong.
As I mentioned, the co-defendant was paroled in 2004.
The hearing resumed.
What the fuck was that?
And Surrey bylaw officers expect with Halloween and Diwali celebrations taking place.
Oh my God.
Oh God.
Oh shit. He's right there. What is she doing?
Get the fuck out. Look at that guy's running there too.
Oh, this is gonna be bad, man. This is gonna be bad. Oh, they're opening up. Shit. Get the. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hey, I see the KDP. Gotcha.
They saved that.